The 48-hour general strike called by a Joint Action Committee (JAC) against the Manipur government to secure the release of 2 youths abducted by militants intensified on October 2nd as the bandh expanded across the state. This was announced by the JAC on October 1st evening, which was formed in connection with the abduction of the 2 youths. Earlier, the general strike imposed by the JAC in Thoubal District since 3 a.m. yesterday received a good response, with a large number of people coming out to block highways and roads at various locations. All major markets in the district, including Lilong Kaithel, Thoubal Kaithel, Babu Kaithel, Athopam Kaithel, Yairipok Tampa Kaithel, New Market and Wangjin Kaithel were shut down. Banks as well, government offices located in the district headquarters remained closed and there was no passenger transport service. Even as police kept a strict vigil at all sensitive areas, students, religious functions, medical and other emergency services were exempted from the purview of general strike. Spokesperson of the JAC, Irom Bimol, said that stronger form of agitation may erupt if the government of India and the state government could not rescue the 2 youths within 48 hours. He said that the government has been only seeking more and more time since September 27th. People have been waiting for the safe and unconditional release of the 2 youths by putting faith in the government's assurance, staging a peaceful sit-in protest at Thoubal Mela ground yesterday, he said. The bandh was called by the people after the government's failure to deliver their own assurance, he explained. The JAC spokesman also said that the ongoing Chinkoki aggression has gone beyond limits and has urged the sentiments of people to a large scale. JAC will not be able to control the aggrieved people if the government is unable to handle over the 2 abducted youths to the parents within 48 hours, he added.